Hey everybody, this is Chris Bookey. I'm going to be talking you through how to set up your percentages in PowerSchool as well as in your Canvas page. I'm going to run through this pretty quickly, so please feel free to pause if you need to. First, you're going to get into your PowerSchool, sign in, and then log in through there. Now, I do have classrooms in both the high school and the middle school, so I have to switch over here to the middle school, so give me 1 second. All right, so once you're in your middle school course grades or course classes here, just click on PowerTeacher Pro to activate the gradebook. And you're going to do all of your percentages from the gradebook here. Once you're in this section, you're going to go down to Settings, and you're going to click on Settings. So once you click in Settings, you'll have these different setup options. And you're going to go to Traditional Grade Calculations and click on that. And you will notice that all of your classes will pop up, and they'll be either expanded or contracted. What you're going to do is select the first class that you teach for the day. Honestly, you can click any of them, but this is so that I remember which one to select. So this 6th grade tech is my first class of the day. I'm going to click on this little edit button here, and it's going to pull up this information here. I'm going to go over here to type and switch this to category weighting. Once that's activated, then you'll be able to choose assessments, evidences, whichever one. I think this is a high school listing. So I'm going to do my assessments, and I'm going to do those at 75%. And then once that is locked in, I can click this plus sign, change this to category weighting, evidences, so make sure you select the correct one that you want for your evidences, and that's set to 25%. Click outside of the box, and the percentages should be set up that way. Once you've done that, click on Save. It'll save the information. Now, you can do that in each and every one of your classes, but there's an easier way. If you click on this little cog right here, it says Copy Traditional Grade Calculations. Click on that, and it'll pull this view screen up. Make sure you're set to, this is what class you're going to pull the information from. Make sure that's clicked to another class. And for the term, we want the 23-24, or whatever year you're in. For the class, you're going to select the class. This is that you're pulling the information from. So I just did this 6th grade tech class, so that's where I'm getting it. Now, where do you want it to go? And here's the nice thing. First, select the term, which is the year, and then you can select all the classes in that term. So I want to do 4th hour is my term 1. And actually, you can do this to all of the classes for the entire year if you want to do it right here. I'm just going to do it for trimester 1. So T1, 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 so there's my 3. If you want to do all of them, go ahead, and then what you do is you click Validate, and then it'll let you know what you're copying over to what classes, and then click Copy. Now, if I check 4th hour, the category weighting came up. If I check it, it should be 75-25. I would recommend that you just do this for all 3 trimesters. I only did it for the 1, but I'm going to go back and do it for all. So that is how you actually change the 75-25 in PowerTeacher Pro for each of your classes. So once you are finished doing that in PowerTeacher Pro, then you're going to go into Canvas, and then we'll work through that one. Please check out the next video for how to change the percentages in Canvas.